This video is all about offering an alternative to this famous box shape. This box shape makes you feel stuck. It doesn't sound like music, it just sounds like a scale. What I'm going to show you today fixes that problem and will have you instantly sounding like you're playing music. The first thing you want to do is take this A minor box shape right here and take your first finger, and that is your root, right? That is A minor. Well, now put your ring finger on that root, okay? And the way you're going to learn this pentatonic is actually in two chunks. It's very simple. Here is the first chunk. You're going to play this phrase. So first finger, third finger, right there, and then first finger again. And you're actually going to play this in all three octaves. So right here, and up here. It is still in the key of A minor, even though we're not actually starting on the root, but that's what makes it so musical, right? You're not starting off right here on this note. That's our landmarker, yes, but we're starting off right here. And that already gives it a musical flavor. Bass players play that all the time. So that is part one. The second chunk is this. You're sliding. And just like before, you're going to slide up the octave. Okay? So when you connect all of these together, you get a very musical way of playing the pentatonic scale that doesn't sound scaly. It sounds like music. Sounds like this. And then you can just go back down. Okay, so once again, I want you to really visualize these two components. So the first component is this. And we're going to play it in 3 octaves. Right? And the second component is this. This slide with our ring finger. Now, it is the exact same notes as this pentatonic box, but it sounds way more musical. It sounds instantly like you're making and communicating beautiful music and beautiful thoughts to somebody rather than just playing a scale. Listen to the difference between this and this. It's night and day. There's really no comparison. That is the 2-step process to start playing pentatonics more musically. Now, a bonus little nugget is adding double stops to this new pentatonic scale. The best double stops sound like this. And you could do it up the octave as well. But all I'm doing is just playing on the 5th fret, doing a hammer-on the 7th fret, pull off, hammer-on, and then doing a hammer-on. And that same principle can apply up here. And all of a sudden, with those 3 devices, 1, 2, connecting them all together, and then adding double stops, all of a sudden you're making music. You don't have to worry about feeling trapped in that box shape. I would love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for tuning in to Soulful Guitar Lessons. Be sure to check out this video, and I'll catch you in the next lesson.